Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Zoho Project for managing construction projects with the full 2025 guide. Our first step is setting up our Zoho project. Log into your Zoho account and navigate to the Zoho Project module. Here, click on Create Project. Fill in details like project name, start and end dates, and assign a project owner. Now that we've done that, we have a base for our project. This step is crucial as it allows us to keep track of the progress of our construction project and ensures we have an accountable person in charge. Next up, we need to create tasks. Click on the Tasks tab and then Add Task. You can specify details such as task name, assignee, and due date. The reason we do this is to break down our larger project into manageable chunks, making it easier for team members to know what they need to do and when. Now that we've created tasks, let's organize them into task lists. Go to the Task List tab and click Add Task List. You can then drag and drop tasks into these lists. This helps us because it provides a visual structure to our tasks, making it easier to follow the project flow and prioritize tasks. Next, we've got to track our project progress. Use the Gantt chart feature in Zoho Project. Here you can see a visual representation of your tasks and their timelines. You can adjust task durations and dependencies directly on the chart. This is important because it allows us to track project progress and adjust plans in real time, keeping the project on schedule. Finally, let's look at project reporting. Click on the Reports tab and choose from various report types like task reports or resource utilization reports. This is essential as it gives us insights into project performance, helping us make informed decisions moving forward. Let me explain why this matters. With Zoho Project for construction project management, you can streamline your processes, keep track of your project progress, and improve your team's productivity. And that's it. You're ready to manage your construction project with Zoho Project. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore these features more. Until next time, happy project managing.